Huawei is unstoppable and is about to renew its upper middle range. We are talking about the Nova 13 series, of which it has already made official releases in China. Of course, if we were Chinese or were fans of the whole Asian culture, we could recognize the artist who is holding this device. But that's not what we're most interested in. Definitely, what we are most interested in is the design of this device, which apparently will bet on having a fabric-style pattern on its back cover. Huawei usually always tends to innovate in designs, even in the Nova series, so it's something it does very well, and this generation will be no exception. Again, it's going to look different from the previous generation, although it retains a capsule design for the camera module that has a ring surrounding this module with the Nova legend. However, the camera arrangement looks quite different, and according to what can be seen, it would incorporate 4 cameras. 3 of them appear to be functional cameras because they are seen to have a remarkably bright aperture. So we could speculate that it will be the main camera, ultra-wide camera, and telephoto camera, which is something that normally had not integrated Huawei in the base models. Although maybe this will be the Pro Plus model or the Ultra model, which usually stays only for China. We will have to wait to see if in this new generation Huawei will launch the Ultra model of the Nova series globally, because it could be an attractive point. There is also another image where you can see another edition of this Nova 13 series with only 3 cameras, which will surely be the one we will see globally, in this case with a white color. Although Huawei has published these teaser images of its next release, it has not yet announced an official date, although it is expected to be very soon. So stay tuned, because I will tell you when we can know all the specifications of this series, because surely at least the low members of this series will have a global launch.